Okay guys, I have another stitch fix. Every time I check out, they keep waiving my styling fee. So I'm like, why not? Let's just go ahead and get another one. When they start to charge me the $20 styling fee again, I may be more selective and may just do it like every season. My wardrobe is kind of full and complete. I just think it's fun to open these boxes and see what they think that I might like. And let's see what's inside. I went full on summer for this one. For the preview, there wasn't anything that I liked from the preview, but I did start a fix with a short sleeve denim jacket. I had asked for that for the last two fixes and she said she couldn't get it for me. It wasn't available. So I just went ahead and it was on my save list. I started a fix with it, asked for an outfit around that. Let's see what's inside. If you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription service and it is a $20 styling fee. It's free shipping to you, free returns for anything that you don't want. So you just kind of look at it, try it on, see what you like, and anything that you do purchase, that $20 styling fee does go toward that. But then if you don't purchase anything, you are out that $20 styling fee. Come with a pre-labeled package to send anything that you don't want back. And then it comes with a note from your stylist. It looks like Kirsten is still my stylist. And the cost of this one's pretty good, especially if you factor in the buy 5 discount. So I think for new customers, if you buy 5 or more items, then you get 20% off. But if you've been grandfathered in from like previous, like a long time ago, I think I started Stitch Fix in 2018, then you get the 25 still. Here's the bundle. I'm not really a fan of this color green. I don't think it looks really good on me, but we'll just see what all is inside. So the green thing, oh, is a romper. And this is so upsetting that it's this color because I love rompers. And this feels like it's linen. This is the Market and Spruce sleeveless collared romper. But I like this. If it was just a different color, we'll see what it looks like on, but I'm pretty sure that color's not right for me. Then here is a jacket. We Wander AllSet Commuter utility jacket in navy. I think I did have this saved. It's a nice lightweight spring summer jacket. And then this is what started the fix. This is from Just USA. It's the short sleeve denim jacket in size medium. This was actually styled with some white jeans and I can't remember the color top with it in one of my AI vision boards. And so I really liked this and I've been asking for it, but they said it was not available. So I don't have a short sleeve denim jacket. I do have plenty of denim jackets, but I wanted to see how a short sleeve denim jacket was gonna go. So I had been asking for that and I just started the fix with that one. Then here are a pair of shorts from Tribal, the Flatten It button detail pull-on short, off-white, size 8. So I don't have any off-white. I did finally find a pair of white ones that I did like. And I like the Tribal crops that I have that are in this same kind of style. So we'll see how those fit. And then it looks like another pair of shorts. Market and Spruce, the HR long line shorts, 5-inch inseam in green. This color green's a little bit better for me than that other color green. Let me go ahead and try everything on, tell you the pricing of everything, and tell you my final thoughts after I try it all on. I didn't get any tops in this fix, so I just have the top that I was wearing on with this. This is the first pair of shorts. This is, I think, from Market and Spruce, and I do like how wide the leg is, but as I was walking, these were kind of crawling up, and I hate to have to pull down my shorts throughout the day, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna like them for that reason. Other than that, the color's great. They feel really nice. They're a great twill, and I love the fact that they have the room in the legs. 5-inch inseam is absolutely perfection on an inseam length. I like that it's not too short, but it's not too long either, and it doesn't kind of cut off my legs. So I do like these. I'm gonna walk around a little bit more in them, and if they keep just riding up here in the center, I'm just gonna have to take them back because I don't like that. But let me know what you guys think, and let me go ahead and try the denim jacket on with this. Okay, so here's the jacket, and it feels like it's a little big. It's very big up here, and the sleeves are a little bit longer than I was expecting them to be. They're kind of at that weird part where when you bend your arm, it's gonna be right there at the elbow bend. So I don't know, I like the length of it. It's super soft and it's nice and stretchy, but I'm not sure I like this one so much. This is actually what I kickstarted this fix off with, but I don't know, I might try to size down to a small and see if that makes a difference because I just don't like the way that it just looks so big and baggy right here in this area. So we'll have to see about that. So the jacket is from Just USA, $69. The shorts are from Market and Spruce, and they're $69. I really don't think that I like these enough to pay $69, but the $69 for the jacket is not that bad of a price, but I just don't like the way it's fitting right here, so I may try to size down to that small. I just left the jacket on and my top on and put these tribal shorts on. They're a little bit longer than what I like. I'm not sure what the inseam length is, but anything longer than 5 inches I don't really care for, and they are bunching pretty bad right here in the front. So they're not very flattering, and I don't like the length of these, but other than that, they're very comfortable. The waist is comfortable. It's just a pull-on style, and it does kind of look good with this denim jacket. So since I really don't have anything to put on with this, I just thought I'd try the jacket on. So because I feel like my closet's kind of busting at the seams as it is, I've been doing decluttering in my closet, and I still do bring some new things in. It's gonna have to be something that either fits really nicely, is just a wow factor, because I don't really need anything in my closet. So I don't know though, I do like this jacket, but I do have several navy jackets. You can see in the back of it, it's got this little split, and there is cinching right here where I can cinch this up and make this a little bit more flattering, give it a more fitted style. And it's got side pockets. It's like that rain jacket feel, but I don't know if I need another navy jacket. So these shorts are from Tribal. They're $48. That's pretty reasonable for a pair of shorts. The jacket is from We Wonder, and it's $78. I'm just not sure that I need another navy jacket, and it doesn't wow me that much for the $78. So I've got the last romper to try on, and then I'll just give you my final thoughts. I'm so upset, you guys. This romper is perfection if it was in a different color. It's got side pockets, nice cinching. As you can see, it's cinched really nicely at the waist. It's a button front. It's easy to get on, nice sleeveless style. A lot of times with rompers, these shorts are a little bit too short. These are perfect length, probably a 4 to 5 inch inseam. This is perfection. This romper is everything except the color. The color is just not for me. So I'm gonna have to send this back, but I'm gonna look and see if it has any other color options, because this is so nice. So this romper is from Market & Spruce. It's $69. So the total for this fix is $323 for the 5 items. If I bought all 5 and got the 25% off discount, that would take $75 off, making the total be $242.25 if I bought everything, which that's not gonna happen because I don't like this color. But man, this romper is good. This romper is so good. I wish it was in a different color. And I don't think I'm gonna get anything from this fix. I'm going to try, because the denim jacket was what kind of started this fix for me. And it actually looked really good. It looked better on the AI vision board, because that's the same exact jacket that was on that picture. It looked a lot better on me in the AI than it does in real life. So I may try to exchange that for a small if it's available. There were some good options in there. They just either were ill-fitting, or I just didn't like the way that they felt. Or, I mean, that navy jacket, I just don't think that's needed. So we'll see when I go to check out if they waive another styling fee. And if they do, I'll get another box. And if they don't, I may wait until closer to the end of summer to grab another box, maybe a fall-inspired box, because I'm pretty set on clothes. I just think it's fun to open these up and see what they think I might like, because it has opened my eyes before on something that I normally wouldn't wear. So let me know what you thought about this fix, if there was anything that you liked. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. And then also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button, because I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and travel. Until next time, have a wonderful day.